Hey, I'm Louis Cole, and I've been making travel adventure videos on YouTube for the last 6 years on my channel FunForLouis. Today, Adobe have challenged me to make one of my videos on the Adobe Premiere Rush app. Rush allows you to edit videos from your phone, but it's also multi-platform, so you can then open the project on your computer and finish the edit there and then switch back to your phone. It's pretty awesome. You can film the clips on your phone and edit them, but I actually film most of my videos on this small point and shoot at the moment. So what I've done is connected via Wi-Fi and sent the clips to my phone. I'm gonna open Premiere Rush now and show you the project I've been working on. So all the videos are transferred to my phone to edit, are then stored on Adobe Cloud. So when I move across to my computer, it's all automatically downloaded for me to carry on editing. So the menu on here is really simple. There's titles, transitions, color, audio, and transform. I haven't played around with titles yet, but maybe I'll do that in a future video. But the transitions are really simple. You just click transition, and then you choose the transition you want, the cross resolve, and then you just drag that in, and it creates a cross resolve between those two clips there. So one of the features I have really enjoyed is the color presets. So I'll show you, I've added to these clips one of these color presets here, SL Kodak. So this is what it looks like normally, and then it's just this, just slightly enhances it. It's nothing too extreme, but I've pretty much applied that to all of the clips on my vlog. Depending on where you want to post it, you can change the orientation of the project. So I've got mine on landscape, but if you want to post it on Instagram stories or Instagram TV, you can switch to portrait. It hasn't cropped all the way in, so it's got some black borders so you can see more of the image, but you could enlarge that clip. Alternatively, if you want to switch to square to post on Instagram or Facebook or whatever, there's the option. I'm going to switch back to landscape. And then when your project's finished and ready and you've chosen your orientation, you then could just share here, ready to export. Choose what settings you want. Boom, and then you can just render straight from your phone. Well, I hope you've enjoyed a little brief look at what I've been doing on the Adobe Premiere Rush app. I'm really interested to see what you guys can make. So if you upload and tag me in your videos and also hashtag made with Rush, I'll check them out. Peace out, enjoy life, and live the adventure. Boom.